January 30th, 2025. Woke up 8:30. Now it's like about 9 a.m. Went to bed 10, so had a long sleep. Yeah, kind of still tired after all this Asia trip. Yeah, the flying, the catching the booty, the train ride to back to Bangkok and so on. Going to my favorite LARP place. It's close here in Samut Prakan, Changirwan. I think it's one of the best places I ate LARP, so a long time I didn't been there. Gonna go check it out if it still works. So we're going to Surat Thani. Today is February 1st. After Surat Thani, the next day we're gonna go to Onang for a couple of days, and then we'll just see. Let's check around. We'll decide. But we're gonna be there for a week. This is the best.
This is the best.
No, this is better.
This is better.
Okay. We came with a green light to wash it, and now we're waiting for the A1 bus to DMK airport. Some dudes playing. The bus should be soon. Maybe that's it. Yeah, that's it. We're flying with Nok Air to Surat Thani. Is only like 18 euro with my trip. They have a cool food court here. How's it at? Yeah, some kind of duck soup for 55 baht. The whole place looks a little bit depressing, but it's not that bad. I mean, you can get a decent meal here, like in the airport. Oh look, what do you order? Looks very greeny. We call this dill, like Krabi. It's very good. Very good.
He is Korean guy.
How are they? So Surat Thani airport. I don't know what's going on there, but it took us like an hour or less to get here. Exit. Okay, we need a bus. We need a bus or something, I don't know. Maybe you can ask the information. Very interesting combo in Thailand. A pharmacy and a weed shop. Very interesting indeed. You get 2 types of medicine. Yeah, 4 grams for 100 baht. That's a good deal. So just did a check-in here. I'm paying like 15 euro for this room. Somewhere like 500 baht. They didn't have like, I went too late one day or like half a day. They sold out the one beds. Well, what can you do now? Yeah, they have a balcony, big window, AC, everything you need. And then there's the balcony, and the whole room is quite big. So for that price, it's not bad. Yeah, anyways, ending this day, February 1st. See you tomorrow. It's February 2nd. We stayed at this room. It was a little bit noisy because of the street, but is it okay? It's okay. We're gonna go rent a scooter and drive to Onang.
Okay.
The city looks quite busy. Don't see too much to do here besides going to the islands. I think some national parks are around here also, but you need to drive a little bit. So we're walking 2 kilometers to the scooter shop. Almost here though. Stopped in this local place. Looks clean, looks nice. Have some cool boat noodles. Have some milk tea. Yeah. So the ride to 09 is 160 kilometers. I ride like this before, but yeah, you need to stay focused. This is the second meal. They like it extra spicy here in the south. Oh, some dessert. So we checked three places for a scooter. One place only has Honda Click and it's 300 baht. I know in Krabi it's 200. My cousin like rented just a week ago. And also going to Krabi is only 200 baht. Somehow I read on the internet it's 350, but it's only 200. So we're going just to Krabi. Like, yeah, I'm not driving like 160 kilometers with a Scoopy. I mean, it's not a bad bike, but I just want a Honda Click. I'm just used to it. I just feel faster. This is a Scoopy. Like, look at it. I mean, what the hell was Honda thinking when they made a Scoopy? And it looks like it doesn't look like a bike. It looks like, I don't know, like an electric scooter or something. This is more serious, you know, the manual one. You can go to mountains and stuff. It's more safe. But yeah, I just prefer Honda Click. I had this one a long time ago. I didn't like it. So we're on the van to Krabi. We pay 190 baht each. At Pantip it's 290, but close to Pantip there's like a bus station. So yeah, it's practically the same bus. Like, I think it's like a government bus or something. So yeah, we're going to Krabi now. So we're at Krabi bus terminal. We saved some money, but we lost some time because the bus went like turns. It doesn't went straight to Krabi, so maybe lost like 1 hour. Yeah, we got a scooter. This place is actually very nice. I like it. We're paying 700. It's further from the street. Let's see, the bed could be better, but what can you do? I'm probably not even gonna say what place is this because I'm gonna keep this for myself. There's too much tourists here anyway. It's crazy. Like, they're taking the scooters, they're taking the apartments. You'll just need to find for yourself. But anyway, it's not hard to find. It's a little bit from Onang though.
อยู่ในกระบี่นะคะอยู่ตรงอ่าวนาง Now we are in อ่าวนาง We just explore around here and we are waiting for the sunset 6:30 p.m. on the Google they say like that. Now we fly to exchange for Harris. Okay, waiting for sunset together. Look like a market. Massage ไหมคะ Massage ไหมคะ Maybe now it's high season.
cheaper beaches. Watch. We're now in Krabi town. What can I say about Onang? Just be careful of the scooters. Nobody checks your license. Do you have it or not? Anybody can rent it. Nobody cares. So yeah, just keep that in mind. We came to market, like a night market. We have some more food here. A lot of tourists, not complaining. That's Thai culture. You wanna go see? Came to some kind of Din Daeng something, and they're gonna take us with a car, so that's cool. Not that far. So you can basically walk, there's like an entrance and stuff. They just put like parking so you pay. Nobody owns this mountain. Looks cool. So they have this like place you can eat. The prices are actually pretty good. The view is nice. They have a shade. And it's very nice, but sunset, sunrise is better, of course. I'm gonna fly my drone here. Flowers. Yeah.
Peaceful. Not much people.
Yeah, not much people. Peaceful.
25 so sugar.
Came to this octopus, Klong Muang. Klong Muang? You say Klong Muang? Klong Muang Beach. Looks kind of busy. A lot of places to sit. Yeah, looks a little bit more peaceful than Onang. And this is probably the other beach we wanted to go. A little bit more far. Maybe where are we? Or the beach. It's like a lot of like private resorts here, and this is like a little party you can just come for public. Yeah, it's nice. It's 4 now. Probably gonna take a swim at 5. The sun is gonna be down. Smarter. Yeah, but the sun is crazy here. Look, Saturday the UV level is 12. Like, there's nothing else beyond 12. There's no 13. 12 is the max. Now we see a lot of marriages here. Like, one here, one there. The beautiful coastline of Thailand. Look, they have a cat one. Looks like a big chunky crab. He's a good big crab. survivor. Like very simple island. 5 year old for two.